In today's video, I'm going to show you how this person right here is making over $180 every single day promoting Digistore24 product. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I want you to know that you don't need to have a lot of following before you make money online. As you can see right here, this account just have a little over 200 followers and they get over 90,000 views every single month from organic traffic. So you don't need to run any paid ads, okay? And you can see the type of post they have on their account right here. This is just a simple image with basic text on it, as you can see right here, and they are making thousands of dollars every single month from this account alone. So if I take one of their posts here as an example, as you can see, this post right here says make money online right now. You can see this is a link right here that's going to take people to the product that they are promoting on this account. So if I click on that link, as you can see, it's going to bring me to this page right here. Okay, so if I click on any of this link right here, so after clicking on the link, as you can see right here, it brought me to this product page right here. And if anyone comes over to this page and click on apply for this product right here, they are going to make $18. So I'm going to show you how to set up this system, and you can also start making passive income promoting affiliate products online. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to go over to this website called Linktree, and all you just need to do, as you can see right here, this website allows you to shorten as many links as you want. So basically you can shorten as many links on just one page. All right, so all you just need to do is click on this sign up for free right here. So once you come over to this page right here, you want to type in a username that resonates with whatever niche you are working with. Since we are in the make money online niche, you want to type in something like make money geek. Okay, so now you want to type in your email right here so that you can verify your account. So once you type in your email right here, all you just need to do is click on create account. And once you do that, you want to type in your password right here. And then you want to click on continue. So once you do that, you want to basically come over to click on this free plan right here. So once you click on that, you want to click on this get free, and then you want to click on continue to my link tree. So the next thing you want to do from here, as you can see right here, to publish your profile, verify your account by clicking on the link sent to the email. So all you just need to do is go over to your email to verify the link. So after verifying your email, you want to come back to this page again and refresh the page. So once you refresh the page, you want to click on this add new link. And once you do that, now you want to go back to Digistore24 right here. If you don't have an account, I've already made a video on how to create a Digistore24 account. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you don't know how to create a Digistore24 account. So once you have your account created, you want to come over to this section that says internet marketing and e-business. So once you click on that, you want to scroll to the bottom of this page until you find this product called get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, so this is the product the person is promoting right here, and you can see you are going to get paid $18 when anyone purchases this product using your link. All right, so now what you want to do from here, you want to click on this right here to copy your affiliate link. Then you want to go back to Linktree, and then you want to basically come over to this title right here, and you want to type something like apply for Facebook job. Okay, and here you want to paste in your affiliate link right here. But before you do that, you want to go over to shorten the affiliate link. So to shorten your URL, you want to basically come over to bit.ly.com. So once you come over here, you want to click on this shorten your link right here, and then you want to click on shorten. Then once you shorten your link, all you just need to do is click on copy, then go back to your link tree, and you want to paste the shortened link right here. And then here you want to click on this add new link, and then you want to repeat the same process here. You want to write apply for jobs on YouTube. So you want to do the same thing for Twitter as well. As you can see right here, apply for Twitter jobs, apply for YouTube jobs, and apply for Facebook job. Okay, so the reason why I did this is because, as you can see right here, this product is going to teach people how to make money on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, as you can see right here. So that is the reason why I had to create these different sections right here. And also you want to make sure you keep the same affiliate link right here. As you can see, you want to copy and paste the same shortened link on each of these sections right here. You want to add a profile picture to this page right here so as to make it look legit. The more legit it looks, the more likely someone is going to click through the link and purchase the product. So you want to come over to the appearance section right here. So once you come over to this section right here, you want to then go over to this website called pexels.com, and you want to type in make money online in the search bar right here. and you are going to see a lot of images that you can use for absolutely free without having any copyright issues. So I'm going to take this one here as an example, and all I just need to do is to click on this download right here. As you can see, it has downloaded to my PC right here. And then you want to go back to your Linktree account right here, and you want to click on this pick an image, and you want to click on this upload from your own device. So once you click on that, now you want to click on this select file to upload, and then you want to basically select the image you just downloaded from Pexels. All right, so you want to make sure you add this right here because it's going to make this look legit to people. And this bio section, you want to type in something simple like this: social media jobs are the hottest job trend right now. So once you type in something like this, anyone who is interested in making money online is going to see how they can apply and get jobs from this product right here. So once they click on the link, they are going to be redirected to purchase this product, and you are going to get paid $18. All right, so once you're done and everything looks good, all you just need to do is click on this share right here, and you can see your link right here. So if I copy this link and I paste this link in a new tab, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page right here with a profile picture, and you can see the name of the account right here related to making money online. And once the visitors click on any of this link right here, it's going to bring them to this page, as you can see right here: online social jobs that pays them $25 to $50 per hour. So basically, this product right here is going to teach them how to make money working with these social media platforms. And now once you've done that, the next step is to go over to create a Pinterest account. To create a Pinterest account is very simple. All you just need to do is go over to pinterest.com, and you want to click on this sign up button right here. So once you do that, you can create an account using your Facebook or your Google account, or you can just type in your email right here to create your account. So once you do that, as you can see, your account is going to be created. So now all you just need to do is to come over to this section that says settings. And then you want to come over here to change your profile photo and select the same profile photo you used on your Linktree account. So once you upload your profile photo right here, you want to scroll down to this section and you want to change the username to the same one you use on your Linktree account. So now I'm going to be typing make money gig right here. Okay, as you can see, it's available. So all I just need to do is click on save. So as you can see, profile saved. All right, so once you do that, the next step now is to start publishing content on this account. So now you want to go back to your home right here, and now you want to click on this create section right here, and you want to click on create pin. So once you do that, you want to basically come over to pexels.com and you want to type in make money online again. So once you type that, you can get access to over 18,000 photos that you can use for absolutely free. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this one here as an example. So all you just need to do is to download this image right here. So once you've downloaded this image, you want to head over to canva.com. So once you come over to Canva, then you want to click on this social media section right here. All right, so basically you want to come over to this section that says Pinterest pin. Okay, so once you click on this, so now all you just need to do is come over to the upload section right here, and you want to upload the image you just downloaded from Pexels. So once you upload the image, you want to paste the image right here. All right, so you want to paste it just like this. So once you paste the image, all you just need to do is to go over to this text section, and you want to drag and drop this heading right here. Okay, so once you drop it right here, you want to change the color to a white so that it's visible. Okay, so if I change that to white right here, so you want to make a post that looks like this: work from home, earn $25 to $50 an hour on Facebook. All right, if you remember, this product is going to teach people how to make money using Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So you want to make variations and posts that looks like this. Or if you want to get idea of the type of post you can make, you can basically come back to this example account that I showed you right here, and you can make this type of post. And you can see, even though these posts are not of high quality, they still get thousands of views every single month. All right, so you can just create a better looking post like this right here, and all you just need to do is click on share right here to download this image. So after downloading the image, you want to basically come over here and you want to upload the image. So you want to write something short and sweet like this: get paid online working from home. Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube will pay you to work with them. No experience required. And you want to paste in the link to your Linktree profile right here. So now all you need to do from here is to click to create a board. Okay, so now you are going to click on this create board, and you want to type in something like make money online. And then you want to click on create. And then all you just need to do from here is to click on save. Now the pin has been created. So you want to repeat this step at least 3 times every single day. And I guarantee you that you are going to make a lot of money as long as you are consistent with this method. Okay. As you can see right here, this person has only 242 followers and they are making a lot of money with this account right here. Okay, so now you want to post as many images as you can. As you can see right here, they are also posting content consistently. That is why they are making money. So the next step now is to go over to the Pinterest search bar and type in make money online right here. Okay, so the reason why you want to do this is because you want to follow people who are interested in make money online content. So if I take any of this one right here as an example, so if I take this one right here, all right, so now what you want to do from here, as you can see, this is a make money online page right here. So all you just need to do from here is to go over to the followers section and you want to follow their followers like this. All right, so you want to basically follow at least 30 to 100 people every single day, and that way you can even drive more traffic to your profile and even get more sales. So I hope you find some value in this video, and if you did, drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.